Pregnant Charlotte Crosby gave fans a rare glimpse of her indoor swimming pool as she went for a dip with boyfriend Jake Ankers. The Geordie Shore star, 31, revealed she was expecting her first child with her boyfriend in a heartfelt Instagram post last week. 4. Pregnant Charlotte Crosby went for a splash at her indoor pool with boyfriend Jake Ankers. Credit, Instagram. The pair splashed about in the pool at her £1 million mansion Sunderland mansion, as she teased an upcoming project. Charlotte had the house built 5 years ago and admitted it was time to spruce up the pool room. Must get the room painted, sick of staring at those samples on the wall. She twirled around in the water while holding a pool noodle over her head, and Jake filmed her while smiling at the camera himself. The TV star also teased a secret project after taking inspo from her colorful pool tiles for something special. The happy couple also got a bit silly, as they sung along to Fergie's glamorous song, with Charlotte lip-syncing into a water bottle before pouring its contents over her face. She giggled to herself over their antics as she switched the camera off. Charlotte and Jake were first revealed to be dating last November after meeting through friends. Smitten Charlotte announced their happy news with a video of her finding out she was expecting. Charlotte wrote alongside the post, "A moment I wasn't sure would ever be mine is here, it's mine, and Jake's, and I couldn't be happier to be sharing it with you all. I'm having a baby." In the gorgeous video, Charlotte is seen going for her first scan and also telling her parents she was pregnant. The news came as a huge surprise to her fans after she kept her bump hidden with a series of clever tricks. Earlier last week, Charlotte was seen showing off her blossoming baby bump as she holidayed in the Dubai with beau Jake. Charlotte looking glowing as she showed off her baby bump and amazing tan in a yellow bikini as she dipped in the ocean. She recently revealed the crazy side effects of pregnancy. She told her YouTube fans about the different ways her body was changing as she applied in her makeup in the video tutorial. "I also need to excuse that my tests are bulging out of this sports bra because they've just sprouted from nowhere, which obviously my boyfriend is very happy about," she said. "They're very sore indeed." As she was applying her makeup, Charlotte also described how her skin had changed. "I've got dry skin. My skin's just really sensitive. Did anyone else find that their skin went dead sensitive when they were pregnant?" she asked followers, the star explained. "My skin reacts terribly to even, like, a makeup wipe, so I'm using micellar water more to take off my makeup. It's crazy how your body changes, but I'm enjoying the journey." 4. The star lip-synced to the camera during her afternoon splash. Credit, Instagram. 4. She then poured water all over her face. Credit, Instagram. 4. Charlotte announced her pregnancy in a cute video on Instagram. Credit, Instagram. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.